In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your class groups. A class group would be any class period that you have multiple classes within that class period that will be doing the same assignments. So you're going to click on the menu, go to Gradebook, click on Class Groups. Once you do that, you're going to click on Add Class Group. You're going to give it a name. I would suggest making it be a first period, second period type grouping. Also, so like if you put first period combined and then put your last name, so that if you were using a printer that is a networked printer in another teacher's classroom or in another room, and when it prints out your roster, it would have your name and someone's not just going to throw that away because they don't know who it belongs to. Then you're going to click on Sections. From here, you're going to choose all of your semester 1 first period classes that need to be grouped together. So I'm going to click these right here. These need to be grouped together. You cannot group first semester and second semester together. It can only be first semester classes that you're grouping together. Then once you have combined those, you click either Save or Save and Add Another. So I'm going to add another one just to show you a second time. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to put second period combined, the teacher's name. I am going to click on the sections. Notice that my first period sections for semester 1 are no longer in the list. That is because you can only group a class one time. So now I'm going to click my second period class groups for first semester. I'm going to click Done, click Save, and now I have my class groups. In order to see my grade books for those class groups, I would go back to my grade sheets. It is automatically going to open the last grade sheet you happen to be in. So now I need to change the class so that I can see the class group that I created. So I would use the drop down arrow here and notice that I have my first and my second period class that I combined. Sorry about that, folks. So now I'm going to click on first period. That's going to run, and it's going to load all of my students in alphabetical order for my first period class with the grade book. Now, from here, if I wanted to see another class, if I don't want to use the drop down arrow here, I can click on Class List. This is going to bring up the tiles. Notice that up here I have my regular classes. To get to the tile for my combined classes, I will need to scroll down to the bottom and I can click on my combined classes. Now, if I wanted to be able to get to that faster than trying to go through the menu, grade book, grade sheet to pick the class I want, I can click on More, and I can add my grade sheet tile to the dashboard. Now, when I'm on my home, it's going to take a second. Now I have my tile that says first period combined. I can click on it, and that's going to take me directly to my class. And for some reason, we are having issues with the grade book right now. So we're going to go ahead and just go through the normal way, which is home, grade book, grade sheet. And once they get those errors fixed, the tiles will be active. You can click either through Class List or use the drop down and choose which class you would like. Then, if I would like to, wrong one, I'm going to go here. Oh, I'm on my grade sheet. Sorry, guys. So I am going to choose my second period grade sheet. If I would like to print a roster so that I can take paper grades or so that I can take paper attendance, I would click on More, Click on Print Export Blank. Make sure to click this class details so that it puts the title on your print. Click whichever other icons you would like. I'm going to print student name, student number. Here I'm going to put 15 because that's going to give me a 3-week area to do attendance. Click print preview. Now I have my 3 weeks worth of columns to be able to take attendance. It does not give you column headers, but you can write in here. If you print 2 copies of it, you can use one for your attendance and one for your grades. Click on print and make sure that when you print it, that you change it from portrait to landscape. And that way you have your gradebook listing alphabetically, and it'll make it easier for you to take attendance and do grades. If you have any questions, just let me know.